Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tabsheer Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to properly set the call forwarding on Jio and Airtel numbers. Sometimes you may see that you are getting a call when unanswered to the other number, and you're not sure what is happening, even though call forwarding is turned off. So we'll see how to fix that issue and also see all about call forwarding. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So we'll see about call forwarding in today's video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. Please do subscribe, guys. So let's get started. So you might have already turned off call forwarding by going to settings. So if you go to settings, if you scroll down, if you go to apps, and if you search for phone, and if you select phone, here you can see call forwarding. I have blurred the number. So if you select any of your numbers, it will check if the call forwarding is on or off. It is turned off, and for both numbers it's off, but still all the calls are getting forwarded to your other number when unanswered. You might have noticed that. We'll see why that's happening in today's video. So first thing is you should check if it is disabled or not here. If it is disabled here, and if the calls are still forwarded to your other number, the other things what you need to do is you need to use some of the USSD code and check the status. For that, what you need to do is go to your keypad. So if you come to your keypad, and so here what you need to do is you need to check some of the status. It is common for Jio and Airtel, but I've tried mostly for Jio number, so you can try it for Airtel as well. The status, everything works fine. So first of all, what you need to do is there are four ways to check the status, and there are four kinds of call forwarding. One is you can forward all the calls to a particular number, or you can forward your calls to another number when you don't answer from this particular number, Jio number. So I have currently two numbers, Jio and Airtel. So if I don't answer on the Jio number, it will automatically forward it to Airtel number if you have set the call forwarding when unanswered. Then there is third call forwarding, that is when unreachable. You can do the call forwarding when you're not reachable on your Jio number to your Airtel number or any other number. I'm just taking my example. So that can be done. That is the third one. That is the third type of call forwarding. And the fourth one is you can call forward when busy. You can forward your calls when busy. When you cut the call, it will automatically go to the other number. That's what I assume when they say busy. So these are the four kinds of call forwarding. For every call forwarding, the status needs to be checked separately. So right now, if I go to the call forwarding settings, so there's the Jio call forwarding which I showed you from. So you'll have to go to apps and search for phone. So when you search for phone, here is where you'll get the call forwarding option. Here you can check if any of the call forwarding is turned on. So for Jio number, no call forwarding is on. So the basic call forwarding is off. But still, some of the calls are forwarded to my Airtel number. Not sure why. When I don't answer on the Jio number, it automatically goes to Airtel number. Something like this, as you can see in the video. I'll pause the video for some time. So when I don't answer, it will automatically go to the other number. I was not sure why this was happening. So I did a little bit of digging and found out this. So there are different kinds of call forwarding. Those are the four call forwarding what I just told. So let's see the first type of call forwarding, that is forwarding all the calls no matter what. You forward all the calls. To check the status for that, what you need to do is star hash 21 hash and press the green button. It will show whether any of the call forwarding is turned on. You can see all are disabled. So voice call forwarding, data call forwarding, fax call forwarding, SMS call forwarding, all this call forwarding you can do for all the calls and messages. So this is the first one, so it's all disabled. The next one is you'll have to use a number called 61, that is star hash 61 hash, and press the green button. So here you'll see some of the forwarding is turned on. Voice call forwarding when unanswered, that is enabled. So when I don't answer on my Jio number, it will automatically go to the next number. The number is also visible here. I have blurred the number over here, and nothing else is enabled over here. So this is the one that's enabled. So this is when unanswered. 61 is for when unanswered. The next one is when unreachable. For that what you need to dial is star hash 62 hash. You can check if anywhere it is enabled. So if you see here, all are disabled, and you can read it over here as well. When unreachable, voice call forwarding, that is disabled, and data call forwarding also is disabled. So that is also fine. Only unanswered is turned on. So we couldn't find this from the setting as well. It was still showing disabled over here. So this particular phone setting over here doesn't do any help. So we'll have to check via the USSD code. That is the third one, and the last one is call forwarding when busy. For that the number is star hash 67 hash, and if you press the green button, it will show when busy is disabled. Voice call forwarding, data call forwarding when busy, all are disabled. So only no when unanswered is enabled, star hash 61 hash. So you can see this particular is enabled over here. When unanswered, forward the calls to this number. So I was not able to track this using the phone setting as well. This was the only way I could find out that where the calls were getting forwarded. So to turn off, what you need to do is it's simple. Just dial hash 002 hash and press the green button. Everything will be disabled, and you'll get a message as well from Jio. And if you go and check star hash 61 hash, voice call forwarding when unanswered is disabled now. Earlier it was enabled. And that's how you can disable the call forwarding. If you're facing this issue, this is how you do it. And if you want to intentionally forward your calls to another number when unanswered or unreachable or busy, or for all the calls, same number you need to use what we use for checking the status. That is, for all the calls it is 21. Just need to use star. No need of giving hash now. Just give star 21 star, and provide the number, to which number you want to forward all these calls to. Whatever call you're getting, that will be forwarded to that particular number. So let me give my Airtel number, and press hash. Now you need to give hash. So only for checking the status, the number was something like star hash 21 hash. For forwarding, it's something like this, star 21 star, and then give the number, and then followed by hash. Now if you press green, the calls will be forwarded. All the calls will be forwarded to your Airtel number, and you'll get a message as well. Similarly, for forwarding when unanswered, it is star 61 star, give your other number, and followed by hash. So whatever number you give, and then followed by hash, press enter. So that is how you forward when unanswered. For when unreachable, just need to dial the unreachable code, that is 62, followed by star, give your other number, and followed by hash, and then press the green button. So it will be forwarded to your Airtel number or whatever number you're providing when you're unreachable. And finally, when you're busy, if you want to forward no, to any other number when busy, the code is 67 as I told earlier, followed by star, and give your other number, whatever number you want the calls to be forwarded to from your current number, followed by hash, and then press green. So all the calls will be forwarded to this particular number when busy. I'm not sure what they mean by busy. I think when you reject the call, that's what they mean by busy over here. So when busy, that's how the call will be forwarded to your other number. And to disable all the call forwarding, hash the 002 hash, that is what you need to dial, and all the calls will be disabled. And so currently I have forwarded for all the calls. So star hash 21 hash, if I give and press green, you'll see this is enabled, which I showed you previously. So I will just disable this hash 002 hash and then press green. Everything will be disabled and you'll now receive a message as well. So if you check star hash 21 hash and press green, you'll see that is disabled now. So you can do that same thing using your Airtel line as well. So if I go to Airtel line and if I check the status, star hash 21 hash for all the calls and press green, you can check the status for this for all the calls. So if you give star hash 61 hash, Airtel is a little slow, not sure if it is because of the network. So you can see the call forwarding status for when unanswered, all are disabled. For when unreachable, it is 62 hash. So it's a little slow. So someone has forwarded, so I need to cancel that. So it is forwarded to some invalid number, so I'll disable that. So unreachable is enabled and on my Airtel number. And finally for busy, it is 67, press star hash 67 hash, and you can check the status when busy, what is the status of the call forwarding. So all are disabled. So let me disable all call forwarding, star hash 002 hash, and press the green button, and everything is disabled. This is on my Airtel line. So that's how you can enable, disable, check the status of your call forwarding on your Airtel and Jio number. So that's all. That's a quick video which I want to do. I'm not sure if it was quick, but that's how you can check the status or set the call forwarding or disable the call forwarding. Hope this helps. If you think this was really useful, let me know in the comments. If there are any queries, post in the comment section. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So that's all in the video. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.